baby we have to snatch back. Hey guys, so guys, it's still your girl, the real Vivian. Welcome back to another vlog. This is an unboxing. I'm going to do an unboxing today. So I received this package from Killer's Cove. You know now, after baby we have to snatch back. I don't want to take chances anymore. I don't want to leave myself just like that anymore, because for my last baby I really did not do anything to myself. I didn't tie my stomach, I didn't use any ghetto, I didn't use anything. I just was like even the pressing of the stomach, I didn't do it for long. I just did it for about 2 or 3 days, and then I started knowing as the Europe life is now, nobody to help and all of that. So compared to Nigeria, when I gave birth to my first baby in Nigeria, oh God, they will dip that hand inside, pack on the blood, and you will feel very light. But here they don't do that for someone. Immediately you give birth, they'll just leave you like that. So I became so fat after I gave birth to my last baby. So this time around, I don't want to take that chances. So I was looking for a very nice girdle. Although later I started wearing them before I got pregnant with me. I bought girdle from Amazon. I even bought this wrap, but it still was not good enough. The girdles I bought, sometimes you use girdle for like 2 or 3 weeks. Before you know it, those bones they put on the girdle will start making someone to feel uncomfortable. Sometimes it start coming out and all of that. So I just said I want to buy a good girdle, even if it's very expensive. So I have to contact Killer's Cove on Instagram. Killer's Cove, the one Destinatico, the one she markets for. So she said she has been using that actually, the Destinatico, the Hollywood actress. So I contacted them on Instagram and we talked. They told me the price and all of that. It was not too expensive, but the shipping was even more expensive than the girdle, because of the way things are now. So it was too expensive for me. The shipping was too expensive. So I asked them if they have any vendor around in Europe, maybe UK, Germany or any other place. And then they asked me where I was. I said I was in Italy, and then the person told me, we even have someone in Italy that sells our product, that markets for us. I said that's fine. So they gave me the person's number. I contacted the lady. We talked. She told me the price, sent me all her details, and then yeah, it's my girdle. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys today. I just received it not quite long, so I said let me carry you guys along. It's not a paid video. They did not pay me for this advert, but I just want to unbox the girdle with you guys. Now I want to carry you guys along. So that's it. They didn't pay me. It's not a paid video. They didn't pay for this advert, so that's much I can say about it. But I just pray that this will help me to snatch back, because immediately I give birth, I will just start hearing it. I don't want to take chances anymore. Never, never, never. Because I left myself, I became fat. I don't want to be fat anymore. I want to get back to my size. So it has my name on it, and it's size L. I bought L, but I don't want to buy the one that will not size me at the end of the day. But I don't know if this one is going to size me. So this is how it is. It's 3 bags or so. I don't know. I've forgotten how they call it. This is Destiny Shaper. According to this is the nickname they use for it, Destiny Shaper. So you can wear it only like this. And according to them, you can wear it inside the cloth and it will not show. So I'm going to be trying it. When I still wear it, I will still let you guys know how far. So this is how it is. And here's the bag that came with it. It's 3 bags actually that came with it. So this is the killer body. So this is the bed. 1, 2, and 3. Guys, this girdle is, I think it will be very, very nice, because it's so thick. as in the quality is just top notch. I tell you that the quality is amazing. The quality is so good. So I just hope it helps me get back to shape. So these are the beds. So you just, once you wear it like this, just wrap these beds around it. You can use one of the beds, you can use the three. Depends on what you want. So you just wrap the bed around it this way, and then you are good to go. Because I really want to get back to shape on time. I don't want to waste time. And this is the third bed. So I'll be leaving the picture of the way it is before, the one I saw before I ordered it. I actually told them I need for a new mom to snatch back, and they told me to get this. So they were the ones that suggested this for me. So I just hope, according to the person that chatted with me, said this will help me to get back to shape. So we'll be trying it out, maybe even from the hospital if I can, or maybe when I get home. But I'll be taking you guys along to see how the belt is going to work. So maybe I'll be adding that clip to this one before I will post it, before you guys will see it. After I've given birth, if I use it, how it is, then before I will show it to you guys. So probably I'll be seeing you guys when I'll be wearing the belt. I don't know, but hopefully I will see. I will do a video when I wear the belt, how it is, so that you guys will see how it is, and I will also come back to give you guys a feedback if it really worked or not. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find the video interesting. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and then leave a comment for me, a very beautiful comment for me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching to this extent, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
Hey guys, your girl don't land again like Land Rover. Oh gosh, I don't need to talk too much, of course. I feel money legodumia. That's your girl over there wearing our 3-wrap detachable body lies waist cincher. Can't you see how it is on me? Even without having it snatched already, it is gang. Do you understand? And guys, you can actually wear this at home while doing your chores. If focus you didn't practicum. Yeah, you can even use it for exercise. You can use it to exercise, my dear. You can use it to do anything. But let me tell you something. Consistency is the in thing. Once you're consistent about it, it gives you that hourglass shape. Your tummy will be flat and sexy. Yes, come on, let's wrap that lower abdomen. Snatch it, baby, snatch it. That is it. And once you're done, come on, turn, just turn. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the word. That is what it does. Guys, you can only get this from At The Curse Place on Instagram. Make sure you're judicious about wearing your body shaper, your waist trainers, and your waist cinchers. And trust me, you will be excited. You will thank me later. It is the body lies. It is the killer body.